In this video, I'm super excited to be sharing my biggest news yet since starting New EdTech Classroom over 2 years ago. And no, it's not that we redesigned the logo, though yes, we did redesign the logo. This announcement is going to transform the channel and help transform the way you teach. Hey everybody, if you're new here, my name is Sam Carey. I'm the founder of New EdTech Classroom, and on this channel, we show you everything you need to know about teaching with technology. Now, when I started this channel over 2 years ago, I set out to create a channel that would help bridge the gap between the world of technology and the world of education. I wanted to create easy to follow, engaging tutorials that would help you understand the key features of programs, as well as how you might use those programs in your classroom. As the channel's grown over the last couple of years, I've set my sights on turning New EdTech Classroom into your definitive resource for learning how to teach with technology. I literally want this channel to become the place where you can rely upon finding pretty much any EdTech program tutorial that you need. And of course, if you watch this channel, you know it's not just about tutorials. I also want to show you the most innovative techniques so that you can build a 21st century classroom for your students. So that's the goal, but there's just one small problem. One thing that defines a New EdTech Classroom tutorial is that I try my best to show you real world examples of how you could actually use a program in the classroom. And if you watch my videos, you probably also know that my teaching background is in the humanities. I've tried, but the reality is that I'm never going to be able to speak with the same level of authority about the STEM side of education that I can about the humanities side of education. So if New EdTech Classroom is really going to be your one-stop shop to learn everything you need to know about teaching with technology, New EdTech Classroom needs a STEM content creator. I've spent the last year thinking about this, trying to figure out who would be the best fit. And I'm beyond excited to announce that I've finally found the right person for the job, Tom Gibson. I'm gonna tell you about Tom so you can see for yourself why I'm so excited to have him join New EdTech Classroom. First of all, Tom has over 10 years of experience working as a STEM teacher. And he's not just a good teacher, he also won Teacher of the Year not once, but twice. Now, although it's awesome to be a STEM teacher, that doesn't necessarily mean that you know all the ins and outs of instructional technology. But it just so happens that at his school, Tom is also the director of technology and innovation. But being a STEM teacher, a 2-time Teacher of the Year recipient, and a director of technology and innovation still doesn't mean that you know how to do YouTube. So it also just so happens that Tom is an experienced teacher YouTuber. So what does this mean for you? It means that now we're going to be able to put out tutorials that are specific to teaching the STEM subjects. So now, for example, we'll be able to feature videos that are specifically about teaching math with instructional technology. And we'll also be able to incorporate real world examples from not just the humanities, but also the STEM subjects. You'll be seeing Tom and I together on some videos. You'll still just see me and others, and Tom's going to also be posting his own video content on this channel. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are some ideas about videos that you'd like to see Tom and I make, as well as some STEM specific videos that you'd like to see Tom make? So look out for our upcoming content about how to teach with education technology. And Tom, welcome to the channel.
Thank you, Sam. I am so excited to join the New EdTech Classroom team and to help my fellow teachers around the world continue to build these 21st century classrooms. It is great to be here, and I will see you in the next video.